Alright, welcome to this video on another knife, Anglo arms again, because I like Anglo arms knives, they're good. And this one is no exception. This is the carbon fibre lock knife. It's weighty, it's actually quite heavy for what it is. Probably the heaviest, oh maybe actually, hang on. Yeah, no, heavier than the Walther I've got, and the Walther knives are pretty heavy too. It's, I don't know the exact weight, oh I do, 99 grams. 3.5 ounces, so yeah, it's pretty heavy lock knife. Not spring assisted, obviously. It's just manual. Flip it out with your thumb on the little snub thing on the blade. It's all blackout, so it's non-reflective at all. So I don't know if you're like swimming around sharks and you've got it, they're not going to think you're a shiny fish, I guess. Its blade is pretty sharp. It's not full tang. It's the grind is what I was going to say. Is actually, I don't know what the grind is, maybe saber, something like that. But the tip is drop point, so that's not bad. It's pretty standard for lock knives. It's a drop point tip. Cannot speak. The blade just a standard 3.5 inches. Open length just over 7.5. Closed length 4.5 inches. The feel of the blade, I mean not the blade, the handle. It is carbon fibre, but it's not. It doesn't feel different to just a normal plastic. It's actually metal. That's why it's so heavy. I think it's all metal. If I'm feeling it right. Aluminium handle. Yep, metal handle. Aluminium or aluminum, whatever you say. The blade itself, just a normal stainless steel blade, as they usually are. Fine edge blade, carbon fibre. Looks really nice. Feels very damn good in your hand. Rare that a flip out knife, that a lock knife actually feels weighted, but this one really does, which is pretty cool. It has a clip, so you can like clip it onto your jeans, your trousers, whatever, to your pocket or something, as most knives do, most flip knives do. It's got a little thread hole down the bottom of it, where you can stick a rope through it if you want to, I don't know, tie it onto your hand so you don't drop it or something when you're like cutting into fabric or cables or whatever else you'd be cutting with this thing. Yeah, it's rare that they actually have the weight on it, so it's pretty good. I can see why, because like it is quite a weighted blade, weighted knife. Unusually weighted actually, because it's all carbon fibre. Usually, well not usually, but some of them have an ABS handle. So yeah, that's the carbon fibre lock knife. I've done a video on this. This is why this is kind of short. I've sort of done a video on it already. It was part of a triple knife video, which is why I'm just sort of brushing over the points of it. It's, yeah, it's Anglo arms. It's a good knife. It's got a nice locking mechanism. It feels really secure. It's pretty resistant, as in when you're flipping it around, it's not loose. So that's pretty good. Yeah. If you're thinking about getting this knife and you're on the edge, get it. It's a good knife. Yeah, that will be the video. Goodbye.